Ever imagined writing a sentence and getting a full-blown cinematic video in return? Well, Google just dropped something wild. It's called Veo 3, and it's basically a movie director powered by AI. So, what the heck is Veo 3? It's Google's latest AI model that turns text prompts into high-quality videos. We're talking 1080p and even 4K. Type something like, "A drone flies through a futuristic city at sunset." And boom. Veo generates a video with camera movement, lighting, and even sound effects. Yeah, it's like ChatGPT. But for movies, let's talk features. Cinematic shots with realistic motion, lip-synced dialogue. If your prompt includes speech, built-in sound design, music, voices, effects, digital watermarking to help detect AI content. Hello, deepfake control. This isn't just AI art anymore. This is Hollywood in your pocket. Now, the catch. It's currently available for select creators in the US via Gemini Advanced, Pro, or Ultra plans, and also through Vertex AI for businesses. So, unless you're on the VIP list, you might have to wait. Honestly, Veo Trez is insane. It's like OpenAI's Sora and Runway Gen 3 had a baby with Google DNA. The quality is getting so good it's kind of scary, but also super exciting for creators like us. Imagine making trailers, short films, or even YouTube intros just by typing. So, what would you make with Veo 3? Drop your ideas in the comments. And if you want to stay updated on the craziest AI tools, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's ride this AI wave together. Catch you in the next one.